Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this Worcester Bosch. The hot water is working fine, but the central heating isn't. So in this film, hopefully we're going to diagnose it and repair it. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So can you put hot water on for me first? Hot water.
Hot water.
Please. So hot water is working, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, off. Can you put the central heating on at the room start? So many batteries in there. Yeah, the demand on the room starts on, but demand on the room starts on, but there's no green light on there. So how's the boiler gonna fire up if there's no demand on? What I'm gonna do is change the batteries on that first. Sorry, I'm just making it for my YouTube, but I'm not gonna have you guys in, don't worry.
Can you put the light on? Is it this?
First one's the other way. Yeah,
This way.
yeah,
And the other one is this way.
yeah.
This way.
Okay, let's have a look. Okay.
Just put that there.
Okay, let's find it. Right, guys, we've changed the batteries on it, and we're gonna see if it works. But unfortunately, it's not receiving a signal from the room stat. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to change this room stat. But as I ain't got one with me, I'm gonna have to loop it here so I can give some hot heating as a temporary repair. Once I've got a new room stat, I'll just come back and change it for them. So we gotta change this. Basically, it's not receiving, and the remote control is not sending it to it. Either way, see to change them. I tried resetting and change the batteries to work. So now we're gonna have to change that. Guys, sorted this one out. The room start's faulty on it. We're gonna have to change the room start on it on a later date. Right now, I've looped it and the clock's working. So hopefully, they'll just gotta change the room start on it. Once that's sorted, it'll be working fine. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. Yeah.